Welcome to the gathering spot for faithful wildlife enthusiasts. We know from years of experience, hundreds and thousands of kilometers, nearly all national parks across India, that family time is definitely rewarding. We are here to share our experience with you. Come and enjoy a virtual safari experience where we take you on safaris across the nation and beyond. We want you to experience wildlife and enjoy it as much as we do. In our videos, we share our journey as we travel across various national parks, savoring the amazing beauty that Mother Nature has to offer. There aren't many travel experiences more rewarding than seeing wild animals in their natural habitat. Explore the best wildlife travel destination and get inspired by the beauty of the incredible creatures with whom we share our planet. The Jungli family is on a mission inspiring families to come fall in love with nature and wildlife. To fall in love with the diverse wildlife and the vast landscape that India has to offer. To make memories together. Whether you or your children are avid Attenborough fans or amateurs, there's just something so awe-inspiring about encountering nature in its natural habitat that will make memories that will last a lifetime. Come join us in this journey as we explore the wildlife together. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that we can help you plan your next wildlife adventure and also make the best out of it. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss out on our upcoming wildlife videos as we explore the vast wilderness together.